Welcome to Kim's Creations. I have been inspired by trees lately and lots of artists who are doing holiday themed pours using trees. So I'm going to put my own little spin on it, and as you can see, I've put my white base down. It is just Artist Loft acrylic, flow acrylic in white. It's pretty thin. I am also going to use the Liquitex Basics Brilliant Yellow Green, which we see here. Little cups. Leaves a small mound. Disappears after about a second. I have Arteza's Pistachio Green. It is a metallic. And this one I am going to leave a little thicker just because the metallics tend to spread out. Then up next, I have again Liquitex Basics Light Green Permanent. And this is going to be my swipe color. So this one is even thinner than the other ones. After that, I have Artist Loft Metallic Green. And this is a beautiful green color. It's kind of a green gold. Hopefully you can see that there in the light. So I've got that one. And I have Golden's, what is it? Iridescent Pearl Fine. Just a little bit of that. Again, just beautiful white kind of ecru color. Just yummy, 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 yummy. And last but not least, I like this one, Hooker's Green. Permanent Hue by Liquitex Basics. Not my favorite color, but it is needed for contrast. So again, leaves a small mound and disappears in about a second. So what am I gonna do? Christmassy, all pretty much green colors. Yes, I'm going to do a Christmas tree, hopefully. That is my plan. So I'm gonna mark about middle of my canvas just to kind of give me an idea as to where this tree should be. Yeah, it looks reasonable. And I'm gonna get started. What I am going to do is I'm going to move this swipe color out of the way, because the special thing about the swipe color is it is the only one that has silicone in it. So here we go. Let's try this. All right. I'm going to get my tree going here. I want it to go to about there. Put a line down. I think I'm just going to start with that. Blacks in the shoulders here. Let's try this swipe now. Get a little. Okay, there's my start. A little playing with paint. Oh, I made that one thicker, just made it a thicker branch. Iridescent Fine by Golden. It's heavy body paint. And I thought I would put it in underneath here. I saw Sarah Mack do this on her painting. And it just kind of adds a little sheen, and it's a little bit of a different color than the white that's already on there. I thought it would create a nice little snow light look for the tree to be sitting on. Gotta have snowy tree. Well, actually there's no snow on the tree, but there's snow on the ground by the tree. How about that? And I'm drizzling it because I don't want it to, I don't want to just coat the bottom of it, the canvas, with this color. I do want to create this kind of illusion of depth by having these kind of stripes of it. Just coming here and there and everywhere. I am dragging it off the canvas to the sides, just for a little continuity that way. There are, of course, blobs of the paint. Again, just adding depth. Could be, you know, snowdrifts, which would be wonderful to think of, especially seeing as how I live in Phoenix, Arizona area, where the chance of seeing snow in the valley, it's not unheard of, but extremely, extremely rare and not ever likely to happen, at least with how the world is warming up. We've had an extremely, extremely warm, record-breaking, never-ending summer, and we did have the warmest November. I guess the whole world's had the warmest November on record, so I think I'm done messing with that. I'm going to torch it one more time because there are air bubbles in this paint, and of course I added a bunch just by drizzling the paint on this. I'm going to fix my sides, and stay tuned because this, I believe, is just going to be part one of this painting. So let me just bring you down really quickly so that you can get a close-up. And I apologize for my overhead light. I don't know what is happening with that, but here we go. Now you've got it from my view. What do you guys think? I'm pretty much in love with this tree. I am noticing though, through the camera, it looks like the tree stem is a little to the right. I need to maybe thicken it up. Let's see what happens here. Try and do this. There. Did that help? I don't know. In person it doesn't look so lopsided, but through the camera it does. All right, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. That's it. So there you have it. You got a little more definition here, as you can see with my snow. And there are the bubbles, or the kind of the cells that have been created with the silicone and the different layers of paint, the different colors that I used. And the shimmer on it, which hopefully I'll be able to show you this in daylight, and you'll really get a taste for it. But there you have it. There's my Christmas tree. So stay tuned, hopefully, for part two. Bye for now. Thanks for joining me.